His Excellency, Honorable Minister of Economy, Republic of Armenia, Mr. Papayan, His Excellency from Germany, Export, Academia Baden from Germany, Dr. Bertram, Chief Impact Officer, First General Holding Limited, Switzerland. She is very fluent what she wanted to do. Very short, sweet speech. Good. Congratulations. And also Director General, Confederation of Indian Industry, respected Chandrajit Banerjee, and also President Designate, Confederation of Indian Industry, and Managing Director and CEO, Tata Chemicals Limited, India, respected Mukundan, Chairman, CA Europe Council, Vice Chairman, Joint Managing Director, Bharat Forge, respected Amit Kalyani, dignitaries and invitees, especially from Europe. I am delighted to meet all of you. You have seen Visakhapatnam. This is one of the most clean city in India and also safe city in India. Recently, Government of India has rated safety for women is number 1 in Visakhapatnam. That is the city you are here now. And also this city is a happening city. Now another 3-4 years time, Google is going to complete $15 billion investment, 1 gigawatt data center and AI hub, and also CE cable connecting from here to Singapore. Nobody as of now can ignore India. I have seen in politics for the last 4 decades. Around mid-90s, internet has come. That is a big revolution. At that time, we adopted information technology. That is where we started high-tech city in Hyderabad and attracting global companies and promoting information technology. All these things happened only 2.5 decades. Today I can say very proudly, you go to anywhere in the world, all people are depending on Indians for information technology. You can see Microsoft is leading Indian, Google is leading Indian, all IT companies are leading Indians. That is the strength of India. And also if you can see further, highest per capita income anywhere in the world are enjoying by Indians because of information technology. Now I am very happy Europe and India, macro level we are having excellent relations. Our Honorable Prime Minister is working towards Vikasit Bharat 2047. Under the same time, Europe, you are having all technologies and technical know-how and also best practices. We can provide opportunities here. You can work with us. It is a win-win situation. Under the same time, I have to acknowledge CAI. This is one body from the beginning for the last 4 decades, more than 5 decades. They are working in India to promote investments. Always, I am pro-business. I have seen different theories in politics. Once, if you see, people used to discuss, you are communist or capitalist or socialist. Or theoretical debates used to go on, and so much of time we have wasted. After economic reforms, after global changes, if you see, everybody wanted to have wealth and everybody wanted to have better living standards. That is the order of the day. So I wanted to request all of you here, we are very strong in so many areas. Earlier I started iTech City with IT. Now I am starting AI related to anything, data center, space, drones, electronics, aerospace, semiconductor, you name anything, we are very strong here. And also recently, Government of India has announced quantum mission. We started quantum computer is coming to Andhra Pradesh, that is Amravati. And also after that I asked my people, why can't you made quantum computers itself? I am assuring you within 2 years we are going to produce quantum computers. Any country want, we are going to provide quantum computers. Even drone technology, all of us are aware, future is drones and also robotics. We are having a drone city itself. There I want to go for defense and civilian applications also. Either to manufacture drones, prepare use cases, and also training, everything we are working in a big way. So that is another area. Our Honorable Prime Minister has announced space applications in private sector. Now we are creating space city so that anybody is having any interest in space, satellites launching everything, you can come and launch. Ready-made infrastructure is available in Andhra Pradesh. That is our strength now. With all these things, I am requesting all of you, not only this, we are having very, very common objective as a vision, that is green energy. Long back, 2.5 decades back, I started power sector reforms, first of its kind in India. At that time, regulatory commission, everything we set up. Today we are very strong, as our Chandrajit Banerjee has rightly mentioned. 25 years back, we developed a green building in Hyderabad. Only next to America, we developed in Hyderabad. That was the beginning. Now we are very strong in solar, wind, pumped storage. Now everything is going on very well. We are having additional advantage of ports. 1,000 kilometers on east coast. We are having strong vision on logistics. Honorable Minister has rightly mentioned, we are having very strong idea about it. Every 50 kilometers, that means 20 ports are going to come in Andhra Pradesh, that on east coast, hub and spoke model. Even we are having excellent air connectivity. We are going to have 3 major airports and also connecting to feeder airports. Within 1 hour time, anywhere you can reach airport, and then national, international connectivity we are establishing. We are having excellent rail network connecting to ports, connecting to Indian cities, markets, everything. Now with all these things, again, logistics parks, everything we are working. So what I wanted to emphasize here, we are having a very ambitious plans on solar energy. We are having, India is going to add 500 gigawatts capacity, another 6-7 years solar energy or green energy. In that, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts. You can imagine the scope, how we are going now. 78.5 gigawatts solar energy, 35 gigawatts wind energy, 22 gigawatts pumped storage, 25 gigawatts battery storage. We are already achieving very good progress. 10 lakh crores we are going to attract only on green energy immediately. That is the strength as on now. If you see ease of doing business earlier, now we are talking speed of doing business. Once you decide to invest in India, in Andhra Pradesh, then it will become our business. All clearances we are going to get on war footing immediately. If you see here, recently one industry, Premier Energies, one call, one deal, 45 days, all approvals are over, completed. Now they are starting manufacturing. It is 6,000 crores investment, 3,500 jobs they are going to provide. Recently, Reliance had an experience. Breweries, they started in Andhra Pradesh. September, they started the application, they put application. Immediately we cleared. February, they are going to commence the production. You can imagine the speed. This is second largest globally. They are going to set up in Andhra Pradesh. That is the speed of doing business we are doing now. Even Google same. Within days we are able to clear. Now tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they are going to lay the foundation. And also, one of the biggest investment, RCR Mittal. This is a steel plant. We are launching now, another tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is nearly 1,30,000 crores investment in Andhra Pradesh. Friends, what I wanted to impress upon you, incentives, we are better than anybody.